Python 3 httplib2 cookies. Fixed, httplib2 can't handle more than one cookie. The patch can be found here, this URL. I am coding a Facebook login script to get my last notifications, but I'm having a problem. I've changed from httplib to httplib2 because it seemed easier and faster to me. Using the httplib, I was able to get the correct cookie and use it whenever I needed to retrieve the notifications. Now I'm using the example from the httplib page. If I don't use the h.fall_all_redirects equals true option, it doesn't redirect me to the home page, but the set cookies are on the first page before redirecting. The cookies I get are set cookie, data equals f asterisk 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 f oxcombute 0 CAA, expires equals Friday, September 6, 2013, 2033 and 26 seconds, Greenwich Mean Time, path equals / domain equals .facebook.com, but those cookies aren't enough to get the session active. In the browser, I'm getting a larger cookie.
Fixed, httplib2 can't handle more than one cookie. The patch can be found here, this URL.
If you want to support the channel,